Good morning, everybody. This is SPC Rules World 2008 here with the morning update as we are possibly one day closer to our potential first severe weather event of spring this weekend into early next week. So the Storm Prediction Center has found that a large-scale forcing and adjacent destabilization could support increasing severe thunderstorm potential across parts of the southern Great Plains. So we're talking about Oklahoma, Texas, maybe southern Kansas, and into the lower Mississippi, middle Mississippi valleys. We're talking Kentucky, Mississippi, Alabama, Arkansas, maybe, far northern Louisiana is a potential, but I don't know. And maybe southern Illinois, southern Indiana, possibly Tennessee, or Georgia. Those are the areas that they're looking at. But here's the thing. There's a southern branch of short waves that could displace and or displace the severe storms that could happen potentially across late next weekend into early next this weekend into early next week. So I'll run the models for you. Tropical bits. Let me get on the forecast models, GFS global. Look at rain, radar, frozen precipitation. Go to our region, Southeast U.S. And we'll take a quick run at it. So today, showers are moving out. Of course, if you guys were here last night, that some showers rolled through the middle Mississippi and the lower Mississippi valleys. And as we go through, it's going to be a dry week, some showers around, nothing crazy. Maybe some heavy downpours across northern Alabama on Friday. That's what we're looking at. But here's what we're looking at. Potential line of strong storms could move southeast throughout Tennessee, Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and parts of Kentucky. And then March 1st, like I said, it's really backed off on that chance. So I think Sunday... I think if we're looking for severe weather, I think it would look greatly on Sunday. So I think that next Monday, stuff can change. Like I said before, models could go right back to Monday's solution, but they backed off as of right now. But still be aware that Monday is still a possibility. Considering we're this far out, models can easily change, like I said before. But Sunday's event looks more favorable than Monday's. So, yeah. So I wouldn't be so worried about Monday until, if models come back with it. I'll update you guys just so you guys are aware. I'll look at the ingredients like I did in the last video. And as you see, some brief pockets of instability might help get storms going. Now models have really backed off on the ingredients, so that's a good sign, but stuff can change. So maybe brief instability up through the Gulf states and maybe into central Tennessee. But that's a good sign. That instability is backing off. So good sign, guys. Really good sign that maybe this won't be as major as we thought earlier. And it looks just to be calm for the rest of the period. Nothing really that scary looking on the models. So at least that's a good update. Looking good. And it looks like that will be okay. Storm Prediction Center still wants to talk about this, which I think is totally okay, just to make sure people are aware. But good signs from the models. Also, let's talk about, this might not be the biggest threat. We might be needing to talk about the flooding potential. As you guys can see, heavy downpours are possible over northern Alabama. But this is what we're talking about, Sunday and Monday. Look at that, heavy downpours from these possible storms. I think these will be minor severe storms, like marginal threats, and the flooding threat could be moderate. But man, let's look at those heavy downpours over northern Alabama and then into central Tennessee. That's about 3 inches of rain in 24 hours. It's not that bad. It's about 1 inch 8 hours. So still need to watch about. I think the flooding threat could be bigger than the severe threat from this system. But we just need to monitor this throughout the week. Graphics and maps will likely come out Thursday. I think that I'll make sure everything stays marginal, but we'll see. Models could easily change, so we need to monitor this highly closely. But the flooding threat, to me, looks like the most dangerous thing that could occur. So I'll make a flooding map and the severe weather map, but flooding could be a lot more dangerous, like I said. So need to watch out for those high waters. If you are under flash flood warning, make sure you're moving to higher ground. And you're prepared, like you have your tools needed, like your med kit, or that sounded like a Fortnite thing. First aid kit, and food and supplies, and flashlight just in case your power goes out, and a rudder radio or your phone, and make sure your phones are charged just in case. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that update. Make sure you like and subscribe, and have a great day. See you guys later in the next video.